everybody. Just woke up, waking up to the sound of a bird chirping. Apparently my sister found an injured bird. Put it in here. SpongeBob's pineapple. So it can't fly because my sister saw it had an injured wing. Ew. So that's pretty much it for the video. Just thought I would like to say that. Yeah.